What is going on, everybody? It's Josh at Peak Pounder. Look, I want to jump right into this. This is the 2022 Forest River Sunseeker. Immediately lift coils, Fox shocks. See those extended brake lines. Blacked out AR wheels with the Ford OEM manual hubs on the Yoko Geolander MTs. 3,000 miles on these guys. We drove them from Oregon, and they are mild-mannered. I don't even want to say mild-mannered for a mud tire. They are mild-mannered, period. Fantastic on the road. Can't say enough about them. Aux beam fogs and floods, the interchangeable lenses. As you would expect, the worn Evo 12S synthetic line winch. Dana 60. All new components on this axle. Consider it brand new. BDS dual stabilizer bracket with the Fox stabilizers, just to keep things civilized. Blacked out work truck grill. Hey, listen, we can put these wee boosts in. If you guys want a wee boost, let me know. I use the Drive Reach. Super portable setup. Works just fine on the hood like this. And because we're in and out of vehicles, you know, it made sense to have something that we could rip out in 2 minutes flat or less. Just taking you around the outside real quick. Everything is in such great shape. Got the awning out. Walk out here a little bit. Awning looks really good. Everything works, right? Everything is cherry. Nearly perfect, I would say. Let's do a tour of the storage areas. Cavernous storage. You need to fit some skis in here? You can. You can put all your other gear up here on the shelf. Huge area with drains built in. Dude, it's a no-brainer. Don't buy a Sprinter, guys. Spend your money wisely. Get more bang for your buck, more space for your stuff. Look, more storage and access to the tanks. Everything is so easy to access on the Sunseeker, guys. It really is. Usual suspects here. Fridge, water fill, furnace vent, 2 outdoor 110s GFCI protected, of course. More storage. So check out how close this is to the footwells. Your batteries are in the footwells, so this would be a perfect spot for somebody who wanted to push out into 800 or even 1,000 amp hours. If you want to just keep building a big old battery bank in that storage, it's the perfect place. I can show you how to do that. 255 80 17s, the Geolanders in the rear. Again, just 3,000 miles on these guys. They're brand new. This one has factory solar. I had previously said it's a 100-watt panel, but it's actually 190 watts. So it's plenty to keep up with the DC fridge. I'll show you guys the DC fridge here in just a sec. 5,000 pound tow rating on this one. A little bit different than the Freedom Elite we did before. This one is the dinette slide. So I like that, you know, with it being a queen corner bed, you don't have to worry about attracting attention if you need to pull over and sleep. You can do so somewhat discreetly, or at least as discreetly as you can in a 10,000 pound lifted RV. Power cable here with the pass-through. I use the hose storage as well. Some people say water and power don't mix. I say it makes life better. So you can see, man, if you need skis, anything, I mean, my gosh, sky's the limit. You can haul lumber in this storage space. All-in-one kind of water sewage center with a light. So this compartment is lit, and you know, it's my first experience with the all-in-one system like this, but I can definitely see that it would be a lot less messy. Slide is perfect. No dings, no bumps. Slide awning is good. It's like brand new, guys, seriously. I'm not messing with y'all. 5 seats in this. Did I mention that? If you got that extra kid, it's a difference maker. You got a 60 by 80 bunk. It's a queen bunk along with a queen corner bed and a convertible dinette for even more sleep space, believe it or not. This one's a little bit taller than the Freedom Elite that we did, by the way. I've got some side-by-side photos posted on the Instagram. You can see for yourself. You know, it's a couple of inches difference. Y'all had enough of the outside? Oh, look at that sun shining in the gel coat. It looks so great. So footwell. If you check us out on Instagram, you know that I threw the slim shade in here. All that's brand new. It's a brand new door window. Just not a fan of the frosted glass. I don't think you should be either. Batteries in the footwell. Like I said, it's right next to that compartment. That's an easy conversion, y'all. Solar controller, or well, it's really just a meter. DC on off, of course, your battery disconnect. These are your awning light and porch light. There's your awning retraction, furnace vent, convertible countertop extension with the magnetic hold down. Everything's cherry in here, y'all, seriously. Seat cushions, brand new, y'all. Brand new cushions straight from Forest River. I paid for them myself. Put $1,000 in seat cushions here. Floor looks great. Everything is just sharp. Just sharp. Got your media center here. Bluetooth speakers and zones along with you know, DVD, CD, whatever you have. Water heater is electric and gas. It gets hot fast. See your water pump. We've got both living room and kitchen lights on right now. Slide out controls. And then you also have a porch light on the rear side. That's a big old button for just a rear porch light, but that's what it is. 70.7 hours on the generator. I always make it a point to start these, so let's do it now. Well, not quite. There she goes. 70.7 hours, y'all. It's like brand new. I'm telling you. Convection microwave oven. In addition to microwave capabilities. Backsplash is so fresh. Super proud of that. Hope you guys like that. Try to outfit this thing the way that we would do it if we were using it for our own personal adventures, which we have, by the way. We have now a couple of trips under our belts with this one. Of course, you know we do our break-in, shakedown runs with every unit that we build. At least a couple of 1,000 miles. This one we drove all the way back from Oregon. Picked up right from AJ's. Fixed some stuff coming back, some factory stuff. Then started working on all the extras. So oxygenated shower head. Bathroom is a nice size for being a corner bed, don't you think? China toilet. We've been rolling with the Max Air fan this whole time that we've been filming. I don't know if y'all could hear that or not, but everything is super clean. Just super clean. Lots of storage as you would expect with a Class C. Closet is great. I mentioned this this fridge being DC only. Something that I'm getting used to, but 190 watts of solar on board. You're good. You're good. No worries. If you're plugged in, of course, even more no worries. No propane on the fridge freezer though. But man, it is like new. And it gets cold. I'm not gonna lie, it gets really cold. Your cooktop is a Magic Chef. Of course, it's propane. Faucets pull down. TV is DC. One of those other things. I think they should all come like this. It's one less step for one less reason to invest in an inverter, right? Got the kids up here watching TV. 60 by 80 bunk, like I mentioned. That's a queen bed, y'all. It's a queen bed above your head. Slide out. You can see kind of the footprint. Comes into about the bed. So, you know, that's a decent amount of space that we're adding to the square footage of this unit. Go ahead and pull this bad boy up. Let the sunshine in, right? It's just Hudson. Nothing beautiful. Just a boat ramp. But it's close to home. And it's still a pretty place. Hey, by the way, 13,500 BTU air conditioner in the Freedom Elite, 15,000 in the Sunseeker. It does a great job. You do have the digital mirror. It's the rear view camera. Probably show you guys that real quick. There you go. Run that full time if you like. That's what I do. That's about it, y'all. 32,000 miles on this one. 70 generator hours. Looking at it now, 33,000 miles. This one's ready to go, folks. Come talk to me about this. Let's get it moved. And let's get on to the next one. We're really striving to be the best adventure vehicle value on the planet. And I appreciate the views and helping us get there. You guys have a good evening. If I can answer any questions, leave them in the comments. Reach out to me directly or hit us up on Instagram and Peak Pounder 4x4 RV. Have a good evening.